So what do you got going on, Pete?
Trying to fly this drone here.
You know what you're doing?
Searching for the aircraft.
You turn yourself around and do the hokey pokey.
There's nothing to do with GPS.
Yeah, I think I would like one just like that one, Pete. Looks easy to use.
I'll tell you what, I did a step 1 through all of them yesterday. It showed me how to turn this on. Connection guide. DJI Mini 2.
Hi. Do you want to tell us about what you're doing?
Here. Let me do this. Let me do this. How do I create?
Hi, Pete. How you doing today?
Well, okay, so let's see this.
How much did you pay for this thing?
It's like $360.
That's a good thing.
That's why it won't even turn on. It won't turn on in this park because it's a restricted zone.
Lovely.
Restricted. Detail. DJI Geo. So it knows. Disclaimer, agree. Fly spots. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. It even shows me. Oh, this says Beijing.
Welcome to Beijing.
Let's go somewhere else and fly.
Where,
Screw it.
where do you want to go?
On the way to the park, there's got to be another place we can go to, no? No?
Sure. So it won't let you fly
It
here?
won't let me fly it.
Wow.
It's a restricted zone.
Lovely.
It knows we're trying to fly here. And they probably have had problems with people trying to fly.
Yeah.
And they're like, nope, sorry, you can't do it.
Oh, that's a bummer. Looks like a fun little thing.
It is a lot of fun.
How many pieces of paper can it hold down on the desk at once? It's a nice paperweight.
Wait till you see it fly. It's quiet.
So,
I gotta use my mini Mavic 2 for the first time.
hey, this is going to be the day that you remember where you lost your drone. In the pond.
It's going to set a GPS coordinate to where the drone took off. And so when you hold this button,
I'm telling you, my first time I was done with everything in 7 minutes.
the drone folded out, ready to go.
Folded out.
Walk through all the different components that are on this drone and what everything
I don't want to
is.
see all the components. Just turn the thing on. Oh my God, this phone sucks.
A button with a light, and that's used to link the drone.
Okay.
The drone so it's facing away from us and
perform our first few flights. Up, down, turning left and right, back.
How do I turn my Mini Mavic on? It's after 4 seconds of pressing this button, it's supposed to make an eat sound. How do I have this kind of luck? The first time going out, we do this. I can't even figure it out. It's on. Now. I'm telling you what, man.
I want one just like this. How you feeling, Pete?
It's asking me to download this firmware. Oh. Controller's on. Of course, the phone will not react to my touching it. It won't even react. I'm recording now. Look at this fucking plane. It's going nowhere. I'm not sure if it's focusing on you right.
Better be.
Yeah, I think it is. I don't have my glasses on, so.
Yeah.
Very cool, Pete. You want to fly over some water?
Now I'm going to bring it down. Just to bring it down.
Yeah.
Look how quiet it is.
It is quiet. Yeah, straight down right there. You can do that.
Isn't that cool?
Very nice, sir. Good job.
I didn't think I was going to get it set up. I
You
don't
did.
think I have hard time.